The world is on the move again, as millions of travelers return to the skies, eager to reconnect with loved ones, explore new destinations and conduct business across continents. Airports are once again bustling with energy, as global travel surges beyond even the busiest pre-pandemic years. The familiar sights and sounds of packed terminals, rolling suitcases and boarding calls have returned with a new intensity. Industry forecasts predict a staggering 136% increase in global passenger numbers by 2030. This isn't just a rebound, it's the dawn of a new golden age of air travel, fueled by rising middle classes, affordable fares, and a world more connected than ever before. To keep pace with this explosive growth, the world's airports are undergoing a transformation. Massive infrastructure projects are breaking ground on every continent, each one designed to handle more passengers, bigger planes, and the demands of a digital, globalized era. These aren't just expansions, they're the birth of sprawling airport cities, complete with shopping malls, hotels, business centers, and entertainment hubs. Airports are evolving into vibrant centers of commerce and culture, reshaping the way we travel and connect. In North America, record-breaking travel numbers are putting pressure on aging infrastructure. The need for modern, efficient airports has never been more urgent, as travelers demand speed, comfort, and seamless connectivity. Meanwhile, the Philippines is making a bold move of its own, determined to transform its aviation landscape and stake its claim as a regional powerhouse. Manila's Ninoy Aquino International Airport, long notorious for congestion and delays, has become a symbol of the country's urgent need for a high-capacity, world-class alternative. Now, the nation is betting on a bold new vision rising from the waters of Manila Bay, a project that aims to redefine the Philippines' place in Southeast Asian aviation and open new doors for trade, tourism, and opportunity. This new airport isn't just a necessity, it's a national imperative, a statement of ambition and progress that will shape the country's future for generations. The goal is clear: to shed the old image of bottlenecks and delays, and embrace a future defined by connectivity, innovation, and growth. With this transformation, the Philippines is poised to become a central hub in Southeast Asia's aviation future, connecting people and businesses across the region and beyond. The stakes are high, the investment is massive, and the vision is nothing short of grand. Success will mean new jobs, economic growth, and a new chapter in the nation's story. The world is watching as the Philippines takes flight into a new era, one defined by ambition, innovation, and the promise of a brighter, more connected future. Enter Sangley Point International Airport, or SPIA, a bold new chapter in the Philippines' aviation story. Located just off the coast of Cavite, this ambitious project is set to redefine how Filipinos and international travelers experience air travel to and from Manila. SPIA is Manila's answer to its growing aviation challenges, offering a much-needed solution to the congestion and delays that have long plagued the capital's skies. With an estimated $11 billion price tag, SPIA stands as one of the most significant infrastructure investments in Philippine history. The scale of construction is massive, involving thousands of workers, advanced machinery, and cutting-edge engineering. Its dual purpose is clear: to relieve the overburdened Ninoy Aquino International Airport, which currently handles far more passengers than it was ever designed for, and to transform Manila into a premier Southeast Asian aviation hub, capable of competing with the world's best airports. Built on reclaimed land in Manila Bay, SPIA is strategically positioned for easier access, not just for Metro Manila's millions, but also for travelers from neighboring provinces. Its location is designed to minimize travel time and maximize convenience. The vision for SPIA goes beyond just runways and terminals. The project envisions an aerotropolis, a vibrant city built around the airport, complete with business parks, hotels, shopping centers, and commercial districts, creating a new economic zone. SPIA aims to be a powerful economic engine, generating thousands of jobs during construction and operation, and attracting both local and international investment to the region. This project is part of a global trend where airports are seen as vital national assets, driving development and connecting countries to the world's economic centers. For the Philippines, SPIA represents a rare opportunity to build a new, efficient gateway from the ground up, using the latest technology and best practices in airport design and operations. The hope is that this new airport will secure the nation's competitive edge in an increasingly interconnected world, making the Philippines a key player in global air travel. SPIA is more than just an airport. It's a bold vision for the future, promising innovation, growth, and a new era of connectivity for the country. With SPIA, the Philippines is ready to soar to new heights, embracing progress and opening its doors wider to the world. SPIA's development is a phased approach, bringing the airport online incrementally. The initial phase focuses on core infrastructure, including land reclamation and the first runway. This stage aims for a capacity of 25 million passengers annually, easing pressure on NAIA. The second phase will add a second runway and expand terminal facilities, tripling capacity to 75 million passengers. This positions SPIA among Southeast Asia's largest airports. However, the timeline has faced delays, with construction yet to begin. The phased approach allows flexibility and adaptation to changing conditions. The promise is a world-class facility built for the future. The Philippines is ready to welcome the world. SPIA's $11 billion vision is not just a grand idea, it's a transformative project backed by the SPIA Development Consortium, a powerhouse alliance of Filipino business leaders and innovators. This group brings together decades of experience, financial strength, and a shared commitment to shaping the future of Philippine aviation. Their collective ambition is to create a world-class gateway that will redefine travel and commerce in the region. At the helm are industry titans like Lucio Tan and Helen Yucheng Ko Di, whose leadership and vision have long influenced the country's economic landscape. Their involvement signals a strong private sector commitment, ensuring the project is driven by both expertise and passion for national progress. The consortium's joint venture with Cavité's provincial government is a strategic partnership that aligns commercial interests with public goals. This collaboration ensures that the project serves not only business objectives but also the needs and aspirations of local communities. After clearing rigorous regulatory hurdles, the consortium has brought on board global engineering giants like Arup and Samsung C&T. These firms are renowned for their expertise in designing and building some of the world's most advanced infrastructure, ensuring the airport will meet international standards. This unique collaboration blends local influence, Sing Tajuro Sinkan, Sin Nuts, Sirbert Banger, Parker and Dine Sir, Sin Zapper Incheon government support, and the technical know-how of international experts. Together, they are laying the foundation for a project that will benefit generations to come. The consortium's track record and transparent approach inspire confidence among investors, regulators, and stakeholders. Their unified vision reassures all parties that the project is in capable hands. Each partner brings unique strengths, whether in finance, engineering, or project management, playing a crucial role in turning SPIA's ambitious blueprint into a tangible reality. United by a shared vision, the consortium is a formidable force, driving the project forward with determination and expertise. Their teamwork is the engine behind every milestone achieved. The vision is undeniably ambitious, but with a team of this caliber, every challenge becomes an opportunity. Their readiness and resolve are evident in every step of progress. As the project moves forward, the Philippines stands on the brink of a new era in aviation, one that promises to connect the nation to the world like never before. Despite strong backing, SPIA faces delays, remaining in pre-construction as of late 2025. Critical steps, including government approvals and detailed design, are pending. The project's location adds complexity, requiring extensive environmental assessments. A government-mandated suspension of Manila Bay reclamation projects further complicates progress. This pause allows for a thorough evaluation of long-term impacts. The project remains in its infancy, awaiting regulatory clearance. The vision is grand, but the path is challenging. The future of Manila's aviation gateway hangs in the balance. The Philippines is ready to navigate the challenges ahead. SPIA's vision comes with significant human and environmental costs. Reclamation efforts have displaced families and threatened local ecosystems. Manila Bay's biodiversity is at risk, with potential irreversible damage. The loss of fishing grounds impacts livelihoods and food security. The government has suspended reclamation projects for a comprehensive review. The balance between development and preservation is crucial for the future. The fight to protect Manila Bay has sparked a resilient environmental movement. Activists face red tagging, harassment, and abductions, risking their lives for their cause. The case of Janila Castro and Jed Tamano highlights the dangers faced by defenders. Despite threats, the movement remains strong, demanding accountability and transparency. Online abuse is rampant, but voices of dissent persist. The fight for a sustainable future continues, driven by courage and determination. SPIA's ambitions aim for global recognition, aspiring to match the world's best airports. The focus is on passenger experience, integrating smart technology and customer-centric services. The project's future hinges on the Manila Bay Reclamation Review. A halt or restrictions could send SPIA back to the drawing board. The challenge is balancing infrastructure needs with environmental and community responsibilities. The dream of a new gateway is close yet elusive. The coming months are critical for SPIA's realization. The future of travel, ecosystems and communities is at stake. The Philippines is ready to embrace a sustainable and just future. The world watches as the nation takes flight into a new era.